rejoining the action here at the Philippine Superliga. Phil Sports Arena is our venue for today's games. Michelle Gumabaw now serving for Bingo Millonario, up by 2, and Michelle will miss.
Well, you know, we keep talking about reunions and separations of these players. How about the coaching staff? When you look at the different coaching staff, you see, hey, this coach used to be from UST, and then this one used to be from LaSalle, so it's also a reunion for them.
That's true. Here's Patrona right now. Gretchen Ho turned back by Maureen Penetrante. I don't think Gretchen Ho was able to experience the presence of Maureen Penetrante in her college career.
Right.
So Penetrante now to put it in play. Those long arms.
She's very tall.
Yep, 6 feet tall. Here is Agueta Baquero. Panay Mercado. She saw it. Iris Patrona challenging Di Maculangan. That wasn't a good idea at all.
Well, they got her number there.
Di Maculangan is one of those hybrid, very tall setters. And Iris Patrona just could not overpower her. 1 point lead for the Puffins. Tabaquero. Peñano. Side quick set Laborte.
Good dig.
Going was there. Here's Kainglet once again. Laborte. Airborne. Patrona. Wow. Iris schooling. And she actually tweeted me that the other day. I'm trying to school these youngsters. Iris Patrona giving Bingo Millonario a 2-point lead. Good serve. Di Maculangan, quick set. Gretchen Ho had to push it across. She saw it now. Mick Laborte. Going is there. Di Maculangan, combination now for Phil Kainglet. Phil Kainglet again. Looking for open spots on the floor is her talent.
You know, the opponents of Phil Kainglet keep forgetting that Phil Kainglet is a smart player.
Yes.
You just can't wait for a strong spike, or she has that in her array, the tips and the, you know, you're right, looking for the open areas.
Mercado now in the open, and she will actually miss that. Looking for a check ball, and Panay can't believe that there wasn't anything called. Oh, now there is. Yes, second referee will call the check ball.
A good call, because it did look like a check ball from our angle.
And Panay Mercado, of course, very soft-spoken actually on the court. That was already the extent of her complaint.
Todo na.
Yeah. Tabaquero, Di Maculangan, going to Kainglet again, and Kainglet has just found her groove today.
Well, she deserves to have a breakout game, because you said earlier that, you know, in her previous match she did
Scoreless.
not. Yeah, and that never happened.
Even in the games that she was injured last year, she still found a way to score.
That's true. That's true.
And here is Mercado. Look at going, just mopping the floor again with her uniform. And that helps getting Aiza Mais to the point. That is something that has endeared Melissa Going to her fans also. The floor is always clean because she uses her uniform to mop it anyway.
That's right. And I heard she had la bandera na mga 10 ata.
Well, it's a good thing she's not wearing white today. Tied at 11. Di Maculangan. Peñano. Saet. That is a lifting or overreaching. They call it the latter one.
No, they call that if she's a
she's a backliner. Yeah. So now it is a 1-point lead for Petron. Di Maculangan has actually been steady today on her serve. There it is again. Patrona. Gumabaw down the middle. Easily done for Michelle Gumabaw.
Exacting revenge.
She's looking for her spa mate. Why weren't you there? Mick. Tied at 12.
And again, if you look at the front row of Bingo Millonario,
That's full.
That's full.
That's more than full right there. Running attack, Micah. This time she saw it is there. Gumabaw on the second ball.
That's right. Easy does it for Gumabaw, just finding that hole.
Now a 1-point lead for Bingo Millonario. Another close third set. And the super powered Mick Laborte. Puffin Power. That's what they screamed during their huddle. So Puffin Power, activate.
Puffin Power.
Activate.
Shape of...
Shape of whatever you want. Penetrante. Maizo!
Court sense. Wow.
Ang lalabas nga rito na rin patalinuhan na eh. The smartest team is going to win.
Exactly.
I mean, the power is negated. Here's Kainglet once again. Patrona. Peñano. Free ball coming up from Paneng. Gohing. Di Makulangan. Back set. Maizo!
He's found her groove today.
Right. She and Phil Kainglet are now starting to hum. If Mike Ortiz joins the party, Bingo Millionario will have a very tough time against this Petron squad. Look at this beautiful back set there coming from Rhea Di
Look
Makulangan.
at that angle.
Yep.
Really tough angle.
Here's Saet now, going to Gumabaw, off the block. Kainglet gets to it. Di Makulangan, going to Tabaquero, feeding Gumabaw the ball.
That's right. Getting it through Maureen Penetrante and Michelle Gumabaw.
Two of the best blockers. Here is now a 15-13 lead. Phil Kainglet continues to serve. Peñano, better reception. Penetrante, and that's what you get for having a great reception coming from Cher Peñano.
You're right. That was a perfect set as well. And Penetrante just used her wrist action.
15-14, just a 1-point lead now for Petron. Paneng Mercado. Gohing. Di Makulangan. Micah Ortiz. Turned back by Gumabaw. Here's Tabaquero. Patrolling there is Chisaet. Gumabaw now. Patrona has to adjust. Gohing. Di Makulangan. Back set. Aiza Maizo.
Wow.
Blocked by Patrona. Gohing gets to it. Here is Tabaquero. Mercado. Chisaet across. Iris Patrona off the block. Kept alive by Tabaquero. Maizo. Kept alive by Mercado, but not for long.
That's right. You know, Maizo has been winning all these mind games so far.
Again, the smarter team may prevail here. 16-14, Petron up by 2.